It's the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition for Tuesday, September 2nd. Everybody going back to work today after the Labor Day weekend. We are now into meteorological fall, but it's going to still feel like summer this week. That's the way it typically goes in early September. Let's take a look. This is the big picture this morning. Actually, not too far away. A fairly robust shortwave trough producing some really nasty storms over parts of the southern plains up into Missouri and Illinois. Had some tornado warnings last night over parts of Oklahoma and Kansas. But that stays north of us. Up in that zone this morning, we've got flash flood watches and a few flash flood warnings in effect. Things are quiet down this way. Organized severe weather possible later today and tonight from Kentucky to New York. And tomorrow, the standard slight risk around Minneapolis-St. Paul. This is the overall rain for the next 5 days. This is valid through Sunday morning. Rain amounts of about 1 inch, and of course your amount will vary. We are in the season for scattered summer storms, meaning the rain distribution every day will not be even at all. But maybe you'll catch a good shower or two on at least one day. Tropical weather, well, hello, Dolly. New tropical storm in the Bay of Campeche, the far southwestern Gulf. No worries here because that is headed for Mexico and won't have much time to develop. It should come in as a tropical storm after midnight tonight, well south of Brownsville, Texas, and the rest of the Atlantic Basin amazingly quiet for early September. Okie doke, this is today at 1 o'clock off the GFS, the OZ run, and this is at 500 millibars. You can see that flat 591 ridge across the deep south. The westerlies are up north, and down below that, we've got the warm, moist air mass, and again, during the peak of the daytime heating process, we'll see the random scattered pattern of scattered storms. We don't know where they form at this hour of the day, but they'll be out there. This is the suggested radar from the HRRR model today at 4 o'clock, and we all know the radar won't look exactly like that, but this model has done very well this summer with convection, so maybe you'll catch a decent cooling shower today. The high should be in the low 90s in most spots. The NAM is printing a high of 92. Same thing tomorrow, partly sunny. Chance of scattered showers and storms, mainly tomorrow afternoon. And you can pretty much lock that pattern in for a while. This is Thursday and Friday. For high school football, there could be a storm around near a few high school stadiums Thursday and Friday evening, but again, they will be random and scattered. Notice cold front north of the state. This is Saturday as the weekend begins. No real change. We've still got the flat ridge here across the deep south. The heights are down a little bit. Cold front near the Ohio River. And, of course, it's a college football day. And, again, for Alabama, the games being played in the state, there could be a storm during the day. Yes, the better chance will be Saturday afternoon. Will it rain everywhere? No. The chance of any one spot getting wet will stay about 1 in 3. And the high should be in the low 90s. Same thing Sunday. That front drops down to near Interstate 40. For a while it looked like some drier air might try and enter the northern part of the state. Doesn't look like that's going to happen now. And Monday looks pretty soupy and moist with, again, the chance of scattered showers and storms. I'd say the highs over the weekend and Monday of next week should be close to 90. Where storms form earlier in the afternoon, the high could be in the 80s in spots. And Tuesday, a week from today, still got that stinking 591 heat bubble nearby. Just can't shake that thing. Nice cool trough back in the Rockies, though. And down below that, same thing, the risk of a few scattered storms. We'll check the end of the forecast. This is September 17th out there at mid-month. Heights a little above average over the east, and again, that shows no sign of any really cool fall air coming down our way. In fact, maybe hints of a little tropical mischief around the Yucatan Channel. But the good news, this is the temperature forecast coming off the ensembles, and it's kind of hinting that just maybe after this week, we're done with the 90s on a consistent basis for a while, with the highs dropping in the 80s next week, and that sounds pretty good. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog, the next video here by 4 o'clock today. If you can catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.